How to remove business account from Instagram. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Move into your profile at the bottom right corner and then click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Move into settings and privacy. Well, inside settings, head over to business tools and controls. Scroll all the way down and you'll find the option of switch account type. Click on it. Click on switch to personal account. Once again, click on switch to personal account. Well, your account has been switched from your business account to personal account. You can simply go back and head over to your profile. And there you can see your account has been switched to personal account. That's all for today, and this was our tutorial on how to remove business account on Instagram. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.